Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up onboarding screens using Canva and Figma. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Canva in your web browser. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in Canva, click on the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type mobile app to find suitable templates. Choose a template that fits your brand style and click on it to open. Customize the background by selecting a color or image that represents your brand. Add text by clicking on the text option in the sidebar. Choose a text style that suits your design and drag it onto your canvas. Edit the text by clicking on it and entering your desired onboarding messages. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the options in the top menu. Incorporate icons or illustrations by going to the Elements tab. Search for relevant graphics and drag them to your design. Position each element on the screen to create a balanced layout. Once satisfied, download the design as a PNG or JPG by clicking Share then Download. Next, open Figma in your web browser. Log into your Figma account or create a new one if needed. Create a new file by clicking on the plus icon. Import the designs you downloaded from Canva by dragging the files into Figma. Place each onboarding screen on its own frame for a clean look. Use the Frame tool to create separate sections for each screen. Adjust the dimensions to match standard mobile screen sizes. Link the frames together to create interactions between your onboarding screens. Click on each frame and use the Prototype tab to set up transitions. Choose effects like Smart Animate to make the onboarding flow smooth. Preview the prototype by clicking the play button in the top right corner. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or transitions based on your preview. Once everything looks good, share the prototype with your team for feedback. Finally, export your onboarding screens as needed for your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.